ready and we are selecting our tables.
Hi, I'm Reshma. I'm the founder of Nimble Hands. We are into homemade handmade crochet products. So I started crochet almost 5-6 years down the line, and it's basically meant to calm me. It calms my mind and keeps myself busy, and also gets out the creativity in me. And also, I'm happy to be part of a lot of like-minded small business owners, where we grow and help each other grow as well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Neetu. Our brand is Crumbly Goodness. So we are basically baking cake and cookies, which are refined products free. That is no maida, no sugar, and no palm oil or refined oil. We just use whole wheat flour, butter, and jaggery. So yeah, so this is our product basically, and I have just started this, and this is my second stall. Hope everyone likes it. Thank you.
Hi, Deepa from Beads and Baubles. I make beaded jewelry and other craft. Come see us at ActFit.
Hi everyone, myself Alfia Herman, and I am producing this desi ghee and honey, and even the sugar cane powder.
Yeah, hi. We are Funny Bunny. We are basically having a pet pens collection here, and we also have women's apparel section. So please come and explore the things for us. And like we have different things around. Like for the pets, you can have a caps, bandana, and the bags. So even a boat, everything is available which are required to accessorize a dog or a pet. You might have a cat, anything. So that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Shobha from Satatyug, Era of Sustainability. I know few years before, when I used to talk to students and I was asking sustainability, they used to tell what is the word sustainability. Now everyone are familiar, sustainability is long lasting, so I request everyone keep your earth green. So how you will keep, that is, if you start zero waste living style, automatically the earth will be greener for your next generation. Example, for normal brush, in the morning you'll use plastic brush, go for bamboo brush. Bamboo towels are there. As you know, cotton takes a lot of water, whereas bamboo requires less towel, and every day it grows. So as soon as it grows, we can harvest from that pulp. We make bamboo towels, and we are specifically making these diaries. If you see this diary, this is made up of recycled paper, third time recycle, and it has a cork board. And this diary, we have not mentioned the year and the date. So you have to take your pen and mark it and then use. So every page will be used, and the diary can be last for 2-3 years. This is special thing in this thing. This is foldable glass. Wherever you're growing on trek or everywhere, you can keep. It becomes a keychain holder, fits in your bag. So no need to take paper cup. You can easily say no when you have this steel glass with you. You can easily have enjoy 150 ml of coffee or tea or even cold drink. Thank you. We have other things also. Speaker amplifier. This is a bamboo amplifier which enhances the sound, and green combs. Everything. If you want to start your day in sustainability, we have all alternates for sustainability living style, zero waste living style. This is Shobha from Satatyug. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sandhya here from Pixie Collections. You can see our various range of saris. These are handloom saris which we hand pick from various parts of India.
Hello. Hi. My name is Shashank CK. I started this about 4 years ago during lockdown, I think. Picked it up as a hobby and have been purely going by it with trial and error. And yeah, I do workshops and everything. Thank you.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Prateek. I represent a brand which is opened by my wife, Gauri, and the brand name is Alp Mode. And our mission is to infuse fashion with sports. And we have lot of USP products like our double layer shorts with compression, both for men and women, and also our double layer skirt with compression. All our t-shirts are 100% Supima cotton t-shirt, the best cotton in this world. We are proudly made in India. And we also have some performance fabric, high performance t-shirt, which is best suited for gym and also for a quick walk or a quick jog. We are a must-have brand in your wardrobe. And thanks for coming to Act Arena, and looking forward to hosting you and enjoy your shopping. Thank you. Can you send me this video?
I'll do it.
This is girl section.
Hello, good afternoon. The theme I've chosen for today's event is cactus. So I call it the crazy cactus and the happy face cactus. So here I have, it's a combination of, this is cross stitch and canvas work, crochet work. So these are all cactuses here. It's here. Also, the cactus bookmarks. So children, you love to read, so please make bookmarks for yourselves and use this, use them. Here are some cactuses just to give you an idea as to how you can draw them. Of course, it's for kids, but adults, only if you're young at heart, you can do this kind of drawing that I do, and that's called Zentangling. So these are two sample pieces, and right here I have for children all ready for them to draw. Their outlines here, their color pencils, and as kids visit us at our event, they sit here and they draw and they color and they learn Zentangling, because once you know Zentangling, there's so much you can do. Now over here I have made these gift bags. So I have cactus in a Zentangle pattern and also an abstract pattern like this, but these are gift bags, so you can decorate them like this. Here we have these little cups here. I know children, when you all are coloring, your pencils get scattered around. So you try these. These are good organizers to keep everything well as and when you need them. Thank you.
So hi, my name is Aubrey. I'm a rural entrepreneur, and I have an organization called Kingly Experience, and we specialize only in milk soaps. So we make soaps in your favorite milk, be it donkey, camel, goat. We have soaps made of your favorite fruits. We have mangoes, pomegranates, and a host of different oils and butters. Everything for your skin. So that's what we do. Yeah.
Hey, hi, I'm Kavya from Leafy Show. We are completely plant-based skin and hair care. We started 2 years back, and we are completely harmless chemicals we use. And I'm sorry, we are free from harsh chemicals, and we have like all the products for the self-care. And we have shampoo bars, foot soaks, deodorant balms, moisturizer, hair oil, and face cleansers.
Hi, I'm Shobha. I'm from Bon Boof, and that's my friend Vinita. She's also from Bon Boof. We started this little baking venture just during COVID. It just was a way to keep us busy when COVID had hit, and it became a home business. Then we trickled it down to a sale now and then. We bake with wholesome butter and maida and really, really good fattening stuff. Extremely tasty stuff. Today we have an orange cake with chocolate topping. We have a vanilla cupcake with buttercream. We have a chocolate cake here with chocolate ganache, and sponge rolls which are filled with jam. All yum stuff. Come to Bon Boof anytime.
Hi, I'm Vinita, founder of Go Pottering. I generally make these wall art with plaster of Paris. They're botanical imprints taken on clay, and I also conduct pottery classes. Thank you.
Hi, we sell modal silk sarees. They are actually from Gujarat. Handmade sarees, hand block printed, vegetable dyes, and it's silk on top, and inside it is a cotton layer. So it's actually very comfortable to be wearing in all climate, all weather conditions. So you don't feel the heat, especially when you wear silk sarees. So, and then we have those, here you can see it, it's very, very clear here. It's a cotton texture, so it's a 2-thread weave sarees. We also have Kota silk sarees, which is again very comfortable to wear during summers. And we have some kurtas. Okay. Thank you.
Organic supporters grown here only near a farm in Doddagubi, and these are apus organically grown right from Ratnagiri. They are 1,300 a dozen, and this is cold pressed coconut oil from Kerala. And then for healthy living you have A2 cow ghee, which is especially very good for children for their growing pains. Small children should have. And this is forest honey with the pure goodness of the forest. And these are organic chilies, Bedigi and Guntur chili. So anybody wants to live a chemical-free, healthy life.
We are going to give it a good shake-up, and we're going to choose from that. And let's see who's the lucky winner. We have 1, 2, and one more invisible gift hamper, which is a 1-month free subscription to the gym. Okay? Thank you. And the name is Kausalya. Here goes Kausalya from my hands to you. Thank you so much. It was fun. When do we see you all again? Okay.